Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can fix app not installing on your iPhone. Let's get started. Open up your settings application. Inside here, you want to go ahead and tap on general. Inside general, simply tap on iPhone storage, and inside here, if your phone is full, you can delete unused apps or files. Next, try toggling on airplane mode on and off, or switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. After that, open up your app store and then go ahead and simply tap on your profile. Inside here, you want to go ahead and tap on your profile again. And just like that, simply sign out and then sign back in with your Apple ID. Once you have done that, head back to your home screen, open up your settings again. Inside general, you then need to go ahead and scroll below, tap on transfer or reset iPhone, and then select reset. Now, go ahead and select reset network settings. This clears glitches that stops download. After that, head back to your settings, and then inside general, all you have to do is simply tap on software updates and make sure you have installed the latest iOS updates. That's it. Now your iPhone should install apps without issues. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.